Imagine a remote archipelago in the vast North Atlantic with only 18 islands and a population of 54,000. Now imagine this small island society ranking among the world's top 10 in income per capita, while experiencing a population increase of over 10% in the past decade. The Faroe Islands thrive economically, socially and demographically when compared to other small island societies.
Hey, I wanna take you for a ride. Yes, let's go driving for the night.
Isolation in the North Atlantic means you must create your opportunities. For 75 years, Faroe Islanders have invested in connectivity, linking neighboring villages. Despite opposition, every link has led to local and national prosperity. Breaking isolation has allowed remote villages to embrace the future, offering a unique lifestyle where small village living and global careers coexist. For example, Gassadala's once remote waterfall Mulafossor is now a famous Faroese icon. And if you wish to visit James Bond's resting place, you'll pass through 4 tunnels on Kalsoy, a small island of 80 people. These tunnels, built in the 1970s, improved livelihoods. Our vision extends beyond villages. We aim for every corner of our small island group to be within an hour's reach, connecting with nature and the world. Eysturoyar Tunnelin at the heart of the Faroes connects industrial areas, boosting competitiveness and bringing communities closer. Opened in 2020, it halves travel time between major cities. For 75 years, Landsverk, under We Build One Nation, has connected the remote North Atlantic with roads, tunnels, bridges, subsea tunnels, helipads, and harbours. In one city, no place is remote, and every voice matters. Villages, cities, and islands thrive economically and demographically, attracting young families once again. The Faroe Islands, once scattered, are becoming one through one city. Built on sheer determination, the 21 tunnels and subsea tunnels have brought us all closer together. Challenges remain, notably the Suðuroyar Tunnel mega project, a 25-kilometer subsea tunnel representing a significant investment. But our vision remains unchanged. The Faroe Islands, one city.